Okay, you see it. We back at it again with another one.
Another one.
And today we're going to drop off this one to pick up one. And this is for the reason of helping everybody with their business, getting back and forth to work, commuting, or just enjoying the freedom. And this is the one person I think is really going to enjoy it. Stay tuned. Look how excited he would be probably. All on one. I just brought it to broken down so you can see every step of the way.
Look, man, I am not gonna lie, man. I swear I want to be one of them. I can't make this up, bro.
We got balancing shocks on it.
Okay.
Shocks. On road, off road. So if you want to go off road, ain't
okay.
no problem. This is a reflector. I brought another light with you if you're gonna be riding at night.
No, I'm gonna be riding in daytime, but I got some bike lights, and thank you. Okay. I say, you know, I work in the afternoons. So I go in, it's still daylight, and when I get off, sometimes it's dark. I just stay into the morning. I need the extra hours anyway. King, I ain't trying to be funny, bro. Man, you don't realize, man, look, I was in the house, you made me think about nephew Tommy. I like, we just gonna call you Blessings, but I like King. Right. Because, bro, you hooking me up, for real. I make sure, I'm like, King, if I had some more money, I'm gonna give it to you, but my whole thing is, let me dog get the Friday, we back home. I got my little 25. I'm like, King, I didn't feel bad for giving you $25. I'm like, man, my man gonna bring me the doggone bike. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna stick to all the rules and regulations. Let me see here, King. I'm gonna lock it up. I can't go.
You got a bar right here. Look, you got bars, you got shocks, you got plenty of places to go through.
Oh no, I sure do. I'm going through right there.
You got the subframe. You got this whole thing right here.
How you get that to come down? So what, you just pull it back?
Yeah, and then come back in. And then when you're riding, this is your trunk space right here.
Oh, okay.
If you got certain things, you can just throw it in the bottom, put your book bag on. Right. Pretty much, there you go. You can see how much gas you got in there.
Okay.
I just did the tuning up, but ran a little late on time.
No problem. I'm sitting right there on the porch.
Right, 1-on-1 inspection been done. Everything's up to date. Your brakes are straight. Pipes done, car's brand new. You can see how much gas you got in there.
Okay. Can I fill it up?
Yep, that's why I didn't put nothing in there, because I was going to give you the containers of all the mixture, everything in front of me, and I can show you. Pretty much you're good to go. This is your kill switch.
So just cut it off?
Yeah.
Okay.
So when you start it, same thing you want to do. Prime it a few times right up under here.
Okay.
This is your choke button on. And it's off, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So when you first want to start, you want to have it off.
Okay.
And then a couple short pulls. And now it's right there, just building up, and then you just give it a little bump. Then with the crank, just keep your choke back on there.
Once I get it running, do I cut the choke off? What it is, I want to roll around the car.
Hold it in.
Oh, thank you. Bro, I like it. The back brakes don't stop.
No, they're made to be like that. Mm-hmm.
We don't even want to talk about what I'm spending on doggone Uber and what's saying. But whatever. We ain't got to talk about that.
Okay, you see it's Stunto Fox, and we're back with another satisfied customer.
Yes.
How do you think about your experience with us, man? What you think about it?
Well, first of all, it's my first experience. I'm enjoying my my transformation. You guys come to get my dirt bike, and you leave me with the scooter, and I'm happy about it. And it rides well. I can't wait to get on it and ride it again.
Well, thank you. The only thing we need to hear you say is you see it.
You see it.
You see it.
Yeah.
I love that. Thank you.
So we back at it again with another one. This morning, well, we got a bad call. Not this morning. Kind of started off kind of off, kind of no energy. But we gotta go and check out Elwood. Ended up getting hit today on the scooter, flipping out. He said the bike is total. He said he's a little bruised up. We're gonna go check on him right quick. Make sure he's all right. We're gonna pull up on him in a second. There he is, safe and sound. That's what I like to see.
What's the day? Safe and sound.
Safe and sound. You went down and got up and get it again.
Which side can I get
It's
on?
the road you commuting on, so lights still flashing.
And knock the engine off. And then I'll ride and see it over.
From the glasses, the radio.
I got all my stuff, bro. I get another video.
I'll take this strap though.
Middle of the street.
And you coming down here, just knocked you from the back.
Huh?
Clipped you on the left side.
And then he just kept going.
This commuting, it happens in it. But at least he made it survive, and we can always repair that. Another one. And we're off.